Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I hope that the videos we keep uploading are helping you out. On this video guys, I'll be tackling the second question from the preliminary exam which was written in the province of Gauteng in the year of 2024. Please do expect a total number of 12 videos since the question paper had 12 questions in total. That simply means each and every question will have its own video, and please guys, do take this seriously. I strongly believe that knowing how to tackle exam questions will give you an edge whenever you write a preliminary exam, and most importantly, your final examination. So please guys, do share the video to your peers so that they may have the same edge as you, and please do help us grow the channel by just subscribing. Okay, we are given a quadratic sequence over there guys, and we are told that okay, before we even answer the questions guys, remember that the quadratic sequence guys has two differences. Are we together? The first difference is arithmetic and the second difference is common. Are we together? So if the first term is equal to 0, second term is 5, 14, this will go on and on. This will go on and on until 860. Are we together? For me to find the first term of the first difference, I need to say 5 minus 0. That will give me 5. And then 14 minus 5, this will give me 9. Are you together? And hence the common difference will be 4. The common difference will be 4. So I can use these guys to find the fourth term, just to answer this question over there. How can I find the preceding terms of the first difference? For me to get to 9, I need to say 5 plus 4 to get 9. And then the other term will be 9 plus 4. I'll simply get 13. Are you together? And then the fourth term of our quadratic sequence will be 14 plus 13. I'll end up getting a 27. So therefore, the fourth term is just equal to 27. Now they want us to determine the expression of the expression of the nth term in the sequence. Remember that guys. Remember that 2a is equal to the second difference, and then 3a plus b is equal to the first term of the first difference, and then the other a plus b plus c will be equal to the first term of the sequence. Are you together? We need these values of a, b, and c for us to find the nth term of our quadratic sequence, because the equation simply says Tn is equal to a n squared plus bn plus c. So I just need the values of a, b, and c. Okay, now let's go and find those values, guys. We know that 2a is equal to 4, and hence a is just equal to 2. Then for us to find b, we will use the fact that 3a plus b is just equal to 5. That's 3 multiplied by 2 plus b is equal to 5, and hence b is just equal to a negative 1. And then we know that a plus b plus c is just equal to the first term of the sequence, which is 0. A is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 1, plus c is equal to 0. I'll have 1 on the other side, plus c is equal to 0, and hence c is just equal to a negative 1. So therefore, the nth term, Tn, is just equal to 2n squared minus n minus 1. So this is the general term for all the terms of this quadratic sequence. Tn is just equal to 2n squared minus n minus 1. Okay, now they want us to find the number of terms of this sequence. For us to find the number of terms, guys, we must know the value of the last term. Are we together? Basically, we're just looking for the position of our last term. Excuse me about that, guys. I know that Tn is equal to 2n squared minus n minus 1. Are you together? Our nth term, which is the last term, is just 860. This is equal to 2n squared minus n minus 1. Make sure your equation, guys, is in standard form. You'll end up having 2n squared minus n and then this is minus 861 is equal to 0. And then you can simply use our quadratic equation to find the factors. There's minus b, which is -1, plus -1 squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So over here, guys, we'll simply have 2n and n. We'll have 21 on the other side, and then on the other side you'll simply have 41. Yeah? So this will basically be minus and plus, and then n is just equal to -41 over 2, or n is equal to 21. This one is not applicable, guys. Né? This is the only answer. So therefore there are 21 terms in the sequence. There are 21 terms in the sequence. Né? And then now they want us to determine the sum of the whole numbers between 100 and 1000 that are divisible by 11. Okay, the first number, guys, which is divisible by 11 is 110. The second number is 121. The third number is 132. This will go until the last number, which is divisible by 11. Excuse me. And that number will simply be equal to 990. 990. So for us, guys, to find the sum of this of these numbers, we must know the pattern they form. If they form an arithmetic sequence, that means we must find the value of a, we must find the value of the common difference as well as the number of terms, right, together, and then calculate the sum. Né? Okay, let's check over here. The sequence, guys, will simply be arithmetic, né? And the difference will just be equal to 11. Right, together. So for me to find the number of terms of this sequence, I'll simply say Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. The nth term is just 990. The first term is 110, and then plus n minus 1 multiplied by 11. 990 minus 110, this will give us 880 is equal to 11 multiplied by n minus 1. If I divide both sides by 11, I'll end up having 80 is equal to n minus 1, and hence n is just equal to 81. So I now know that, okay, let me use a different color. I now know that my first term is 110. The common difference is 11. How many terms do I have? 81. I'm just looking for the sum of the first 81 terms. I can use either one of the equations, guys, for me to find the sum of the first 21 terms sum of the first 81 terms rather of our arithmetic sequence. Now, because we do have our last term, so we can simply say Sn is equal to n over 2. I have 2a plus n minus 1d. There's just 81 over 2. There's 2 times 110 plus 81 minus 1 multiplied by 11. So the final answer over there, that's 81 over 2 multiplied by 2 times 110 plus 81 minus 1 multiplied by 11. So the final answer, guys, will be 44,550. You can use this equation, or there is an alternative one. Sn is just n over 2, and then A plus L. This is just 81 over 2. The value of the first term is 110. The value of the last term is just 990. I believe this guy should give us the same answer of 44,550. 81 over 2 into 110 plus 990. Yeah, we should get the same answer, 44,550. So that's how, guys, we're supposed to deal with this question over there. So please, guys, do stay tuned and wait for more videos. Thank you for your time.